Now before going to the DORA, let us see what the concept behind DHCP is. So in a layman language, this is the diagram how the DHCP works. So on the left hand side we have the client PC. Now this is a PC, it can be anything, your mobile, your laptop, your tablet, your anything, desktop. And on the right hand side we have the DHCP server that assigns the IP to the client. Now behind assigning the IP there are a lot of stuff going on. So these are represented by these arrows. So first of all, in the first step, the client PC or your computer asks for an IP configuration from the server. It is shown from the client to the DHCP server. Then the server sends a set of IP configuration and asks the client if it is good to use or not. In the third step, if the client likes and is comfortable to work with that IP configuration, it tells the DHCP server that yes, I like this IP address, I want to use that. So it asks the DHCP server, can I use that? So finally the DHCP server says, yes, you can go on and use that IP configuration if it suits you. So this is behind the scenes where simply the client asks for an IP configuration, the DHCP server provides an IP configuration, the client likes the IP configuration and then asks, can I use that? And then the DHCP server finally says that yes, you can use that if everything is going on with it. This is just a four-way handshake or a four-way communication between the requesting client machine and the DHCP server. So you can remember all of this stuff by learning this DORA word, that is DORA, not that Explorer girl, but the DORA word. So there are 4 steps that are discovery, offer, request and acknowledgement, all represented by the initial letters of every step. So let us see what these steps are in detail.